Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome to our presentation video. We are Group PBL TRPL 210, and in this video, we'll be presenting the progress of our project titled Web Development for SHILAU Polibatam. Before we dive into the details, let us introduce ourselves first. I'm Maulana Yusuf as a team leader and UI designer. Next, we have Hasan Firdaus as a business analyst, Dony Tata Fahreza as software development, Rohani Jesicca Siringo as software developer, Rivana Alwarid as software developer, and finally Hasan Abdurrahman as a software tester.
The SHILAU Polibatam promotion website is a platform that's used to introduce and offer various services to the public, such as training programs, research-based products, and equipment or space rentals. The website helps share information more effectively, boost visibility, and manage your services better. It includes key sections like the homepage, service categories, news update about SHILAU activities, and an about page that highlight its vision, mission, and organizational structure.
Here's the functional requirements of the SHILAU website. The SHILAU website is designed to allow visitors to view available information and services, as well as submit quotation requests. On the administrative side, roles such as SHILAU admin, management, major, second major secretary, and COX are granted access to the CMS to manage content based on their responsibilities. While the admin and management have full control over all website content, other roles like major and COX can only manage content specific to the respective areas. Additionally, all these internal roles have the ability to update their own account information. As for the implementation status, the CMS Excel features has been fully implemented, and the basic website viewing functionality is partially in place. Some features such as content management by admin and management have been initiated, while others like quotation requests, user role management, and individual content editing by specific roles are still pending implementation.
To support functional requirements, we design non-functional requirements as follows. Here, we have 5 non-functional requirements. Specifically, the non-functional requirements of compatibility are intended to support the first functional requirements, namely the visitor can view information and service on the SHILAU website. Next, for the second functional requirements, point C, security. It is intended to support the 5 functional requirements. The main point is that only user with the provide role-based access can access the SHILAU JS.
There is use case diagram of SHILAU promotion. This project has 6 actors: website visitor, admin SHILAU, management, mayor, secretary of mayor 2, and COX. Website visitor can view the main homepage, SHILAU profile page, new page, offer service, and submit a quotation request. Actor mayor, secretary of mayor 2, and COX are generalized into an abstract role called website manager. This means they have the same use case, include login to the system, manage new, and offer a service. Actor admin SHILAU and management generalized into an abstract actor called staff SHILAU. The upward arrow on staff SHILAU indicate inheritance, which means staff SHILAU can also do all use cases of website manager. Management that is generalized into staff SHILAU can manage service category, quotation request history, website dynamic content, change website general setting, manage department and COX, and can also do all use cases from website manager actor. Admin SHILAU has a special use case to be able to manage user and manage role. When the admin manage role, he can also manage role access right. Besides that, the admin can also do all use cases from SHILAU staff and website manager.
Now, I'll present the ER diagram of our application. It's a crucial part of building any system using RDBMS. Our application has 21 entities, with most relationships centered around managed relationship from user. For authentication and authorization, we use 3 main entities: users, roles, and menu items. A user has one role, and roles can access multiple menu items via a grant access relation. We also include mayor and COX, or Center of Excellence entities, which can have relation to user. At the core of our application, there are 4 entities: news, training certification, product service, and rental equipment, all linked to JOX. Also, except from news, they also relate to many photos and single categories. Quotation request entity save history of submission from visitor, and each quotation can include items linked to training, product, or rental entities. Additional entities like marketing contact, settings, clients, org structure, and web contents handle dynamic site content.
All right, last one is the table structure. There are 21 tables in this schema where each table has a primary key in the format table _name_id, except for the web content table, which uses content type as its primary key. Most tables have a relationship with the users table through the updated by user ID and created by user ID columns, except for green access, menu items, users, quotation request items, and photos table, which contain foreign keys to other tables. Almost all columns here are defined with the not null constraint, except for the updated by user ID, created by user ID, and several specific columns such as major ID and CRX ID in user table, cover caption in news table, and rental start date and rental end date in quotation request items table. Most tables here also include created at and updated at columns to track the creation and update timestamps, but the settings table, access table, photos table, and quotation request items table do not include either of these columns, while quotation request includes only created at columns. Alright, that's all for our project progress presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.